Hi guys, my name's Kara. Thank you for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC as well as your EIN number in the state of Oklahoma. And we're going to do this whole process in about 5 minutes or less, or maybe a minute more, but it's going to be about 5 minutes. You will have this whole process completed. So in order to do like a step-by-step video, just click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Tabler Brands website, and that way you can just follow along with me while I'm doing it on my computer. And, just do every single step with me, and we'll be done in about 5 minutes. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to click Oklahoma. And what is the name of your business? So for me, I do mobile eyelash extensions. I'm on the go. So I'm going to type in my business name. And we're just going to hit next. And what stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm already in business, but this part doesn't affect your LLC filing. So just click what best applies for you. And what industry do you fall into? Now, you may fall into a few industries, or maybe you're not too sure. So just start to type something in. You can see as I just type a letter in, like thousands of options come up, and they get really specific too. So just start typing something in that you think will apply for your business. And you can see for me, eyelash extensions, boom, there it is. And what are you offering? So you're either selling a physical good or a service. If you have something that doesn't fall into one of these categories, you could type it down here, but more than likely you're selling one of these two. And if you're selling both, you can select both as well. All right, and are you planning to hire employees? Again, select what best fits for you, and this part also doesn't affect your LLC filing. So if you change your mind later on, maybe you don't have employees and then you hire them, that's okay. All right, so just type in your zip code. And where are you mostly serving your customers? So you're either selling online, or maybe at a shop or store, or maybe you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm on the go, I'm doing mobile, I'm gonna select this. But let's say you also have a website, or maybe you also are in a shop. You can select even all three of them if you want to. Okay, and what are you planning to do today for your business? So make sure that LLC is highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to click your EIN. So the reason I want you to get your EIN number is it's just really important to have for your business. It's basically like the social security number of your business. So when you file your taxes, or maybe you want to open a business credit card or business bank account, you're going to need your EIN number. So it's just great to have it all in one section. You can file your EIN number on your own if you want through the IRS website, but they only allow you to do it during weekdays, not weekends, and I just feel like it leaves so much room for error. And it's just like one more thing I have to add to my to-do list. So I would rather Tabler Brands just handle all of it for me. I don't have to worry about it, and it's just like one thing to make it easier. And you guys, you can see that they offer all this other stuff too. Let's say you need a license or a permit for something, or maybe you want them to create your logo. You can select that here, or you can go back in later and select anything else that you need. So for this video, we're just going to select LLC and EIN. And what have you done for your business already? I'm going to click skip, and you're just going to click you discover Tabler Brands through YouTube through this video. Okay, and Tabler Brands is just offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. For me, it's a free course. Maybe I could learn something new, help me make more money. For me, it's a no-brainer. I will say yes to this. But if you don't want it for some reason, you can always click no thanks. So now you're just going to type in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, it's just asking if you'd like Tabler Brands to open your EIN number for you. And they do charge $99, but again, for me, I just feel like it's worth it. It's one less headache, and yeah, it's just easier. So I'm gonna click this option here. Okay, And as far as being a registered agent, now if you're just starting your business or if you live in the state of Oklahoma, you are more than likely your own registered agent. If you don't live in the state and you're opening one in Oklahoma, or if your accountant says otherwise, then you will need to assign someone that lives in the state. And if you're not sure, you can have Tailor Brands help you figure out who is the registered agent, and they do charge $199 for that. But like I said, you're more than likely the registered agent for your business. So just select this second option here, unless you have heard otherwise. And we're gonna click, are we sure? Yes. And every single year, no matter, this is for all states, you have to renew your LLC every single year. So what happens if you forget to renew it? You can lose the name of your business and then someone else could take your business name, which would be horrible. Let's say you're already established or you have products branded or anything like that. You could no longer use it because now it's someone else's name. But let's say that doesn't even happen and you will just have to refile it. It's more money, it's just more of a hassle, and you kind of really just want to avoid that at all costs. So make sure you renew it every single year. Now, if you're worried that you might forget to renew it, Tailor Brands can renew it for you automatically. It's $199 a year, and that's just a cool option to have if you're worried you'll forget about it. For me, I'm going to try to save some money, so I will handle the compliance. But like I said, mark it down in your calendar or just make a mental note to redo that every single year. Branding toolkit, I'm going to click no. And would you like your LLC sent expedited to you in 2 days? I do. It's only $49 extra. I feel like it's so worth it to have that business name and be able to get started right away. If you have some time to wait, you can always select this second option here and they'll send it to you in 2 weeks. You won't have to pay the extra $49, but again, I like that option and it's worth it to me. So I'm going to click the first one. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement, so click no. Formation kit, I'm going to click no. And Tailor Brands offers a great service if you're worried about, let's say you've just started your business and you're not really sure how to manage your books and finances and invoices, or maybe you have a system set up already and it's a little messier than you want it to be, or you're just not really good at keeping it organized, and that's okay. But this is the reason we have our businesses, right? Because we want to know exactly where all of the money is going. We want to utilize what we have and make the most of it. So Tailor Brands offers a service that they can really get you on track and get you organized with your bookkeeping, your finances, all that good stuff. So I don't know the total price, but they do offer a free trial, which is cool to check out. Feel free to try it out if you think it'll help you. Maybe you want to expand your business. For me, I have a very small business, so I'm just going to be managing my books and invoices on my own. And you guys, let's click get notified on the updates for our LLC. And you can see here they have a bunch of different plans you can pick. For today, we're just doing our LLC and EIN, so we don't need to pay anything extra. Let's keep it as low cost as we can. And we're going to click this first option here. Okay, so here is a breakdown what we're paying for today. The Oklahoma state filing fee is $104. And if you decide to open a few more businesses this year, every single time you will have to pay that $104 for each one. They're including a free business coaching program. We are getting our 2-day expedited filing fee for $49. This stuff is not highlighted, so don't have to pay that. And your EIN number, your EIN will be $99, and that's going to be charged after your LLC filing. So you can see here the total payment does not include that EIN yet. All right. And then you're just going to enter your credit card information, and that's going to ask you some basic information like your name, your address, and really simple stuff like that. So just make sure you complete everything. But you guys, that's it. You have just filed your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Oklahoma. And you can see that was really fast, really easy. And that's it. So I wish you the best of luck with your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.